Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use WhatsApp in China. In China. Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use WhatsApp in China. So let's start. If you wanna use WhatsApp in China and download it normally, well, the answer is no. You can do it. You have to download a VPN and start using the VPN and change the country for using WhatsApp. Why? Well, because the Chinese government is very foreign companies that are could potentially influence Chinese public opinion. So that's a preferred to promote domestic teach companies. So for that reason, they use instead of WhatsApp, they use WeChat. But sometimes people wanna use WhatsApp, and well, the only way to do it is by download a VPN. In this case, I recommend you to use NordVPN. NordVPN will help you to change the country that you are in this case in China. So download the app and then just go to the principal page. Let's go to the left side and let's click on NordVPN. Here in NordVPN, just click on the part that says manual setup. Just click there and then you can change the country. There are a pass of country that you can change. In this case, I will select United States. Then when you're here, just scroll down and select the VPN that you prefer. In this case, I will select this one. Just click here and then just click on Get Out Setup Configuration. And here you can start changing everything that you prefer. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.